What if I told you that everything falling apart in your life right now is actually falling into place? Right now, you feel lost, confused, maybe even broken. Nothing is going the way you planned. But what if this isn't failure? What if this is preparation? Stay with me till the end, because this message might change how you see your life forever. There are moments in life when everything just stops making sense. Plans fail, people leave, doors close. You pray, but nothing changes. You try, but nothing works. And deep inside, you start asking, why me? Why is this happening when I'm trying so hard? But here's the truth. No one tells you. Sometimes, life has to fall apart to make room for something better. You see, God doesn't test the weak. He tests the ones He is preparing for something greater. Think about it. Gold is tested in fire. Diamonds are formed under pressure. And you are being shaped right now. This pain, this confusion, this waiting, it's not punishment. It's a test of your patience, a test of your faith, a test of your strength. Every storm in your life has a purpose. Storms don't come to destroy you. They come to remove what doesn't belong, break what is holding you back, and reveal who you truly are. Right now, you might feel like you're losing everything, but maybe you're not losing. You're being redirected. One of the hardest things to accept is delay. You see others moving ahead, winning, succeeding, and you feel stuck. But listen carefully. Delay is not denial. Sometimes, God delays things because you're not ready yet. Or maybe what's coming is so big that it needs more time to be prepared. The moment you feel like giving up, that moment is often the turning point. Because when everything breaks, you rebuild stronger. When everything is taken away, you discover who you truly are. Your breaking point is your breakthrough. Right now, you may not understand anything, but one day, you will look back and realize every failure, every delay, every heartbreak was leading you exactly where you needed to be. Nothing was random. Everything had a purpose. So, if you're struggling right now, if life feels heavy, if everything seems to be falling apart, remember this. God is not breaking you. He is building you. And one day, everything you went through will make sense. If you believe that, comment below, "I trust the process," and share this message with someone who needs it today.